It was a sunny morning in the kitchen. Sana and her mama were ready for a special game. "Let's find things that start with the letter J," Mama said with a smile. Sana clapped her hands. Sana looked at the refrigerator. There was a big, bright purple letter J magnet stuck right in the middle. "J!" Sana shouted. It was a perfect start to their search. Mama reached up to the high wooden shelf. She pulled down something sweet and sticky. "Look, Sana, this starts with J," Mama said, holding out a round container. Sana held the object in her small hands. It was a jar. Inside the jar was delicious strawberry jam. "Jar and jam," Sana giggled. 2 J words in one. Mama pointed to the back of the kitchen chair. "Your jacket starts with J too," she said. It was a soft blue jacket, ready for a walk outside. Sana looked at the kitchen counter and found something sparkly. It was a tiny, bright toy jewel. "A jewel!" she cried. It shimmered in the morning light. Mama picked up a colourful book from the table. "This is my journal," she explained. "I write my happy thoughts here. Journal starts with J." Sana reached into the fridge and pulled out a tall carton. "Juice!" she cried. It was orange juice, cold and sweet. Juice is a wonderful J word. Mama set a bowl on the table. Inside was something that moved when the table shook. Sana and Mama watched it wibble. "It's jiggly jelly," they said together. Sana felt so happy that she couldn't stay still. She began to hop up and down on the kitchen rug. "I am jumping. Jump starts with J." Sana was a J-word expert. Bye-bye. Come back soon. More fun is coming soon.